Good morning children. Today for 3rd standard, I am taking a new lesson in EVS, lesson number 16, Deepa's generation. After I read this lesson children, you will be able to identify the members in the generation of your family. You will be able to draw a simple family tree, and also you will recognize the similarities in physical and hereditary features among your family members. Then you will even understand the relationship of your mother and a child. So the lesson is a small play, like it's dialogues between family members. So I'll just read it out to you and then we'll go on to the family tree. Raju and Deepa came to the grandparents' house during the summer vacation. Raju and Deepa, their mother and grandmother went to the neighboring village to attend a naming ceremony. Many people had gathered there. Deepa saw a small baby in the cradle. Deepa asks her mother, "Mother, whose baby is this?" Mother replies, "Deepa, it is the baby of Radha and Rajiv. You two used to sleep in the cradle like this when you were a baby." The baby in the cradle started crying. Soon Radha took the baby into her bosom and consoled it by singing a lullaby. So these pictures over here children, you see, all the mothers like their babies, correct? You can see this monkey sitting with her baby, then the bird, the mother bird feeding the small birdies, then the hen is looking after the small chickens out here. The hen is looking after them, and here the mother is playing with the baby. So a mother always cares for the baby. While returning from the naming ceremony, grandmother met her friends. They looked at Raju and said, "He looks just like his grandfather. His eyes, broad forehead, long nose resemble his grandfather." Deepa said, "Everyone says that I resemble my mother." So children, actually you too can do this activity in the house. You can go and ask your mother and father whom you resemble to, whether you resemble your grandfather, you resemble your mother, or you resemble your dad. You can ask your mother and she will tell you. Maybe your eyes resemble her mother's eyes, or the nose resembles your dad's eyes. In that manner you can find out some similarities that resemble in a family. So now over here, generally similarities will be in the form of eyes, nose, skin, and walking and laughing style. Then they met Ramappa, the grandfather, on the way, who was returning from town. He took the children to the farm. "Grandpa, how many children do you have?" Grandfather then told them about his family. Grandpa says, "Deepa, your grandmother is Puttamma. We have 2 children. They are your father Subbanna and your aunt Leela. You and Raju are the 2 children of your father. I, your grandmother, your father, mother, you and Raju thus belong to 3 generations." So like this children, we have to draw a family tree over here. This will be your activity for the family tree. You have to draw a family tree. You can draw it and in your classwork note, and you have to stick your family photos. So first, when you draw the family tree children, I need your photo of your grandparents out here. Your grandparents. This will be your first generation. Okay. This is your first generation. Your grandparents is the first generation. After coming over here children, I want you to come to the second generation. Second generation, your father and your mother's photo. I want you to stick your father and mother's photo over here. Father's and mother's photo. If your father has any brothers or sisters, I want their photo over here. Okay children, I want their photo over here. Yeah. So this is your uncle or aunt. You can write your uncle or aunt, your father's brother or sister, any of their photos. This will be your second generation children. It will be your second generation. And after that I want you all to stick your photo below your mother and father's photo. When you stick your mother and father's photo here, it will be your third generation. You all will be in the third generation. Children, this activity you have to do it in your classwork note, EVS classwork note. Draw a family tree. Stick your grandparents' photos in the first generation. Then you come up here and stick your mother and father's photo here. That will be the second generation. And below your mother and father's photo, yours and your brother or sister. How many photos you have? Your brother, your sister, whether you all are 1 or 2 or 3, like that you have to stick your. So you all will be in the third generation. And here, if your father has any brothers or sisters, their photo along with their wives, their photos plus their sibling, their children. So you have to make a nice tree. Color this bark brown in color and this leaves in green in color. Do this coloring and stick the photos and send it to Rohana ma'am in the WhatsApp. I will check and I'll get back to you. So going ahead in the lesson, after doing this family tree, children, Grandpa, you have shown me a big tree in the farm, haven't you? Yes, I planted that when I was young. Now it is very big. There is another big tree besides that, Grandpa. Yes, that was planted by your father when it was young. That is a small tree. It grew well. So basically it's the grandpa introducing the children to the farm where he had planted trees plus his son had planted trees. So grandpa, well Raju, let it also grow like you. Why don't you also plant a tree? So that is only a general conversation between the grandfather and the children. But the main topic in your lesson, children, is this family tree. I want you all to do this. Stick it in your classwork note. Color this bark brown in color, this bark of the tree brown. And the background of the tree should be green with your family photo stuck. Your grandparents will be stuck down here, coming up to your mother, father, then your photo, plus if your if your father has any brothers and sisters, even theirs. Be creative, stick it properly. You can color it anyhow you like. You can even make some fruits, designs, cutouts, papers, anything. Make it more very nice and send it to me. I'll check it and get back to you, children. That's all, children. This lesson, the main thing is a family tree. Fine? That's all. Take the pitch and send it to Rohana ma'am. That's all, children. Take care. Thank you.